these. Now these flowers, I'm going to press them just as I have picked them here. And I just have a few, but you can put as many in the press as you can. In fact, if you do them like this, you could fit a whole bunch and fill many layers if you had that many flowers. You just don't want them touching when they're flat, because once they dry, they will stick together, and it's very difficult to separate them without ripping one of them or both. And after just 30 seconds, these ones, because they're very thin and they don't have a lot of moisture in them, are dry. They're no longer sticky. So they feel like paper. That's how I know they're 100% dry. There is no stickiness on them.